An LED or a light-emitting diode is a semiconductor device that emits light due to electroluminescence effect. An LED is basically a p-n junction diode, which emits light when forward biased. Light-emitting diodes are almost everywhere. You can find LED in cars, bikes, street lights, home lighting, office lighting, mobile phones, televisions, and many more. The reason for such wide range of implementation of LED is its advantages over traditional incandescent bulbs and the recent compact fluorescent lamps. Advantages are: 1. Low power consumption. 2. Small size. 3. Fast switching. 4. Physically robust. 5. Long lasting. Because of these advantages, LED have become quite popular among a large set of people. Electronics engineers, electronic hobbyists, and electronics enthusiasts often work with LED for various projects. Polarity of LED. Polarity is an indication of symmetricity of an electronic component. A light-emitting diode, similar to a p-n junction diode, is not symmetric. It allows current to flow only in one direction. In an LED, the positive terminal is called as anode and the negative terminal is called as cathode. For the LED to work properly, the anode of the LED should be at a higher potential than the cathode, as the current in LED flows from anode to cathode. You can easily identify the anode terminal of an LED as they usually have longer leads. Types of LED are: 1. Through-hole LED. 2. Surface mount LED. 3. Bicolor LED. 4. RGB LED. 5. High power LED.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
It's not a game, it's a